Here's the play-by-play. Go to Suno and log in through a free account from any of these methods here. Easy. Click Create on the left pane, enter your song lyrics, and then type below your style of music. I will go with pop rock with folk pop roots. Hit Generate and done. Check this out. For those of you who have written songs before, the main sections are the verse, chorus, bridge, and outro. The lyrics are totally my own, so that took some time to think through. What's your dream song vibe? Drop it in the comments. I'm reading them all. Once the song is done generating, it will give you 2 options for you to listen to. Just click the play button next to one of them and you will start listening to an AI-generated song. There are other awesome features too, like personas. Personas copy the voice and music styles of a song to a new song you create. I will play my first sample song now.
When I was younger, my mother told me I should be nicer to my brother and be friends, and tasted the bittersweet victories when we fought. I was foolish then, bring me back to those times we played games and fought competitively through the years. Take me back to playing video games till late night day, smashing the controller and fighting over who won to no end. And I miss those simple days of brotherhood, and it's real. We build Lego castles over the radio. 16 years old and playing hoop around noon, marching from our parents through the green streets and climbing rooftops with our friends. We were foolish then, bring back to those days. We found weekday gigs when we got paid. We'd get cheap drinks and drink them light. We left to start our lives, one straight to university, one married with no kids, one starting a business but no success, and one dying for no cause. Take me back to, take me back to playing video games till late night day, smashing the controller and fighting over who wants to know when. And I miss those simple days of brotherhood, and it's real. We build Lego castles over the radio. We found each other celebrating birthdays and Christmases, bonding to crypto and conspiracies. And I miss the way we used to fight when we were younger. We watched how we aged over the years.
Okay, I need a sec. This track, it's not just cool, it's deep. Those strings, the way the vocals ache, it's like AI reached into my chest and pulled out something raw. It's free, sure. 10 downloads a month, no catch. People on X are making waves with Suno, some tracks hitting charts, but this feels personal. Like it's mine, you know? You could pour your heart into vids or just sit with it. Tap that like if it's hitting you too. I'm still processing this. Now imagine Suno years from now, live AI concerts, remixing your pain into sound right there. or songs that feel what you feel, shifting with your soul. That's the beyond level AI I'm chasing. Music that doesn't just play but knows you. Subscribe if you're in for that ride. I'm testing more tools soon. So, Suno AI turned a few words into something that's honestly still sinking in. Deep vibes for 2025. Try it, share your tracks below. I'll lift them up. Next vid, I'm diving into another AI gem, maybe creating a video game. Hit subscribe. Don't miss it. Oh, and peek my last vid here for more AI madness. Catch you soon. Stay beyond real.